My name is Tyler Gilmore. I am the Director of Clinical Operations and Community Relations for PT Northwest. 2014, we came out of looking in 2015 with a concept that we wanted to move to more of a data-driven approach. We started it on our own, in-house. It was going well, but not moving very quickly. Jim came very highly recommended as someone who could help us with some of those barriers that we were running up against. Our company is very big on culture and fit, and Jim proved to be very much so a good fit for us. I think my gut and reaction was, a fear of an outside person coming in and messing with what we had created, but very quickly that was put to rest. He came in with wanting to have an understanding of who we are and what we represent and what our goal and objectives as a company and as a group of individuals was. So he brought a nice knowledge base and education to me on more the business side of how you deal with staffing and deal with behavior change. Over the course of the time, identified that vacancy rate was going to be one of our key indicators and key things to focus on to drive change. With that, we've seen, since GRU has come on with us and worked with us, we're at about a 20% decrease in our vacancy rate. So if you think, we were somewhere in the 22s to 24% vacancy rate on average across our clinics as a whole. We're now in the mid to upper teens as a whole, which in a short time, that's a big jump when you're talking about the volume we see. Clarifying of the objective and simplifying. He was really good about helping get rid of the noise. We were asking a lot out of our staff, and by asking a lot out of our staff on too many different things, it decreased the effectiveness on a couple. Clarity of focus, consistency of voice. He was very big on, consistency of voice, consistency of time we spent with our staff. We focused on coaches or drivers within the group. So we identified people that if we got to them and we got them on board, then they were going to go be the coach to the next person, and then they were going to go be the coach to the next person. And so instead of trying to approach where we make the change across everybody, we really focused on a few key people, and those key people then spilled over the change. He took what we had to say and took our knowledge and expertise within the field and combined it with his knowledge and expertise of structure and behavior change and culture change and married it. And it was a nice thing and a relaxing and calming thing to see that he was able to blend those two together. I don't think that the industry matters exactly which one you're in. I think that his knowledge base and the types of behavioral type changes that he can bring about can happen in any industry. So I don't think it would matter what industry you're in. I'd give him a call.